Hello and welcome to our next video. This time we'll talk about how to analyze your results on Facebook, and you can use this tool also for Twitter. So the tool is called Visually, and simply it's visual.ly. And how we use it is it's a really interesting tool for creating infographics. And now your clients and whoever you are doing the Facebook marketing for needs to see some results, and the more like the better you show those results, the more professional it is and more professional appeal you have. So that's why I recommend to use this tool. And in general, you have to learn how to use infographics in general. So simply go to visual.ly and you want to create account. Right now I'm inside my account, so I have already created account, but here you would see in this section more or less you would see create an account. So I will go inside my account, and when I'm here, let's go back one more time. When you have created account, it's totally free. This is what you see: explore, marketplace, create, blog, and so on. So for example, if we go to create, it allows us to create visual presentation of our Facebook results, which is really exciting. So you can also do this for Twitter, and but here is for the Facebook. So we would click on here, Facebook Insights. Okay, so here we are. So basically, when you go the first time, it will ask you to log in to your Facebook account, which is totally safe to do. And basically, it asks to install this app visually. And what I do always is that I always put it so that only I can see it. Other people don't see that I use this tool. It's just me how I want to do it. So after you have done that, you go to select a page, and there's a big list of all the different pages you are admin for. So now I would select, for example, this one, which is my main site, and it's now creating it. You can see that here it's doing its magic, and let's see how it looks like. Okay, so there we go. Let me see if we can do this a bit bigger. And a bit more. But basically this lets you to analyze, for example, for the last 30 days, it will tell how many fans, it will tell how many fans you have gained, then it will tell how many are men, what is the age range, how many are female, and also where they are from. So for example, in my case, for this site, they are from Spain, Mexico, Argentina, Peru, Colombia. This is really interesting information for me because now, although I see it from my Facebook statistics, but now I can really start thinking that how I can post something that's more interesting for people in Argentina and Mexico, for example. Obviously, most of them are from Spain, which is a really good thing. So now let's see what else we have. This page got that many impressions, this many engagements, and this many stories. So all this is great, and obviously you understand that when you have this kind of representation, you can copy and paste this to any informs that you give to either companies that you are managing social media for, or if you're doing it for your own company, it's important to also, save this for yourself or give this to your superiors. So let's see. Interesting statistics. Most of the stories came from South America. Most likely storytellers are men. That's also really interesting. How many people saw your content, unique impressions, storytellers, and so on. So that's the social life of lasse-rouhiainen in the last 30 days. So it's a nice statistic and obviously really cool tool to use. So how you can do it, we can even embed this on our site if we like. That's actually a really cool feature as well. Let me see that it's working here. And then you can save it as a, so there you go, the embed code if you want to put it that on your website or something. And if you want to email it, you can email it as well. And then you can download the PDF here as an image. Sorry, you can download it as a PDF or as an image. So I really like this tool and I highly recommend you to use it. And remember that there was also one for Twitter. Simply select Twitter earlier, and that's how you can use this for Twitter. So really, really recommendable tool to use it. And remember that in the future you need more and more to use infographics always to communicate what you are doing and why certain things are so important. Okay, thank you, and see you